Hey, Mr. Still 9759, I'm going to do this field, this farmer's field, just cut down the soybeans, part of the Fairgrounds. Been here many number of times. Alright, get back till you find something. Only got about 2 hours. I don't know what this is, but it made sound. I'm going down the old logging road. It used to be the sawmill down here, but I think I was on this road before, and I didn't find nothing really. But I don't know what that is. Metal back and a little plastic or something in there. Maybe it was off a car or something. I don't know. Yeah, I was going to get skunked there for a while before sundown. I found a memorial penny. Yeah, the older one though, probably from the fair. Alright, get back to you. Yeah, got another memorial. Yeah, pretty green, pretty. Alright, get back to you. Yeah, I found a Wheatie or a memorial wrapped in tinfoil or something. I don't know. I see Lincoln's head there. I think it is. Alright, get back to you. Yeah, battery's going dead on the camera. That's 2 memorials. I don't know if that's wheat. I found that down on that path. And some junk I found. Alright, happy hunting. See you next time. Yeah, that piece of tinfoil. That was the 1971. And 268Ds. Alright. Happy hunting. See you next time.